Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, growing businesses need an ERP that's simple, flexible, and powerful. Pronto Software is built to help companies manage operations without the headache. Let's break it down. Pronto Software combines finance, inventory, manufacturing, and CRM in one unified system. It gives real-time insights, automates key processes, and helps teams stay coordinated across departments. Its intuitive interface and scalable design make it ideal for small to mid-sized businesses looking to streamline operations without sacrificing control or visibility. Pronto keeps your business running smoothly so you can focus on growth instead of chasing spreadsheets. If you want an ERP that adapts as your business grows in 2025, Pronto Software delivers flexibility, clarity, and efficiency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell for more reviews.